This one is common.
Yes.
M is common. M here is power of 2.
Yes.
So bring 1 out. Is it clear? So if you bring 1 out, it remains 1. Then you have 4 here. 3 is common here. 3 M and 12. Is that clear?
Yes.
Bring 3 out. It will remain what? M plus 4.
plus 4.
Do you understand? Okay. Now, this is factoring quadratic expressions. We say quadratic expression is a type of expression that has a power whose highest power is what?
2.
Thank you. That's very correct. 2. So these are examples. AS squared plus BS plus C. Then S squared plus 3S plus 2. Linear or simple expression. When you say something is linear, it means a straight, simple. So the highest power of that one is what? 1 for linear.
Okay.
It is quadratic that has power of 2. Try from the word, the prefix word. Try. It means 3. So the highest power there is what? 3. Now let's look at example. Now M squared plus 7M plus 12. Usually or most of the time, what you need, the first thing you need to do is to use what you have here to multiply this. Reason being that in case this does not have coefficient of 1, in this case this M squared has coefficient of 1, but if it does not have coefficient of 1,
Sir, please, can you explain the meaning of that coefficient?
Thank you. Now here the coefficient is 7.
Yes.
Is that clear? 7. So what I mean by coefficient? Coefficient is simply the number that comes before your alphabet. Is that taken? So in this case, the coefficient here is 7. The coefficient of M squared here is what?
12.
You're very correct. So that's what coefficient is. So at times this one may have 2. Something like this may have 2. So if you don't use it to multiply this, by the time you go out with your calculation or your analysis, you may not get the right answer. So that's why you always see me use this to multiply this. This will give me 12M squared. Is that clear? So 12M squared. So that 12M squared, we have it here. Then the middle number, 7M, you have it here. So you now look for 2 numbers, 2 factors, such that when you add them, they will give you 7M.
And if you time, they will give you
12M squared. Exactly. So you check other many numbers to see the one that will go in line with that for both the multiplication and the addition. So out of all the numbers that we've tested, we have 4M and 3M. That's 4 and 3. If you multiply them, they will give you 12, and if you add them, it will give you 7. So you just bring in. It's very simple. Just use that number that you've gotten. Use it to replace that your 7M. Look at it. M squared plus 7M plus 12. Where you have 7M, just remove it and bring in those 2 numbers that we said. The next thing, this what they gave us here, factoring. Factoring means you bring out the number of times that is common. So once you bring that out, M, then you have M plus 4 plus 3.